welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss V. Listen, I know it's been a minute since I posted anything, but I am so glad that you all came back today. Today, I am gonna open up my juicer. I'm so excited that I have my Nutri Bullet juicer here. So I'm gonna open it, and then I have some other surprises that I'm gonna open to go along with it. But before we move any further, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so you can get notified each time that I post a video. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into this box and see what's in this Nutri Bullet. Okay, so we got Nutri Bullet here. It's a juicer, and I'm so excited to open this juicy box. Directions on how different recipes, okay? So we have the cup. So I guess it's the top. Somebody's thinking, open it already. Well, give me time. Guess that would help, right? The unboxing of my juicer. This ruined all chances of taking it back. I guess this is a brush cleaner. This is not my first time of actually owning a juicer. I had a juicer before. I didn't like it because there was a lot of pulp that was left in there. And I've come to realize that pulp is very beneficial for you. It's very healthy. It has healthy benefits, right? So I guess this is the mother of the juicer here. I'm excited about this, guys. So I got a juicer from I'm ready to start a juicer. Have you ever juiced before? I juiced before. I really liked it, but the other juices that I had made such a mess. But hopefully this won't make a big of a mess. But we shall see. I'm thinking all juicers are messy. I'm just saying. So this is my juicer. It's a Nutri Bullet juicer. So let's see what I have from it in the next package. Because when you juice, you have to have containers, right? You have to have containers to put your juices in. But look, my granddaughter over here going. Okay, so let's open this box first. Because I'm going to go on a 14-day juice diet. My goal is to lose 14 pounds. So, this is fragile. Wow, oh my God. Listen, guys. Oh my God. You know, I'm like a kid. Christmas time when you get stuff, you just get so excited, right? And it really isn't a big deal, but it is to me. Because this juicer, these bottles, is what I put my juice in, and it has the labels. Well, once I put my juice in it, I can label 8 ounce. Honey, what? Okay. How many have? Look, it has a funnel to go along with it. Stop playing. A marker. So I ordered this off this is. So I'm trying to get away from using plastic containers. Why? Because there are chemicals in plastics, right? And so when you drink out of plastic containers, you're subject to get these chemicals in your water, whatever you're drinking. So since I'm on my health journey, guess what your girl decided to do? I ordered me clear beverage bottles. Ooh, yeah. Check this out. It's 6 of them, and each one has its own like container, like to where to keep it from like it was a fall, I guess. Yeah, so I can put my water in here. This is really nice. So hey guys, we need to get away from plastics, right? So I'll drop this in the description below too. And it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 6 bottles in here. So yeah, and they are, let me see, 18 ounces, 18 ounce. So I'm super excited about that. And it has a bottle cleaner where you can clean the bottles, your bottles with. And let's take a look back at the juicer, the Nutri Bullet. Let's see what kind of recipes I got here, because I got a recipe that I'm gonna use for the next 14 days to lose this fat. The recipe guide, check that out. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. So I'll be posting my next video on me actually juicing and blending, because I do have a Nutribullet blender too. Hey, and Nutribullet, if you guys want to sponsor me, hey, I'm your girl. Come check me out. But anyway, so thank you for watching me open up the unpacking of my juicer, my glass bottles, and my little bottle containers here. What are these called? Yeah. Thank you for joining me for that. So stay tuned, guys, and more to come. It's your girl, Miss V. You all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click and share. Talk to y'all soon.